Hey everybody, what's up? And today I'm going to be showing you guys the elves box by the Sophie and Toffee Club. So as you can see, this box is actually a really pretty navy blue color because of the theme, which is galaxy constellations. And I'm honestly super duper excited for this one. So in the box it came with some rose gold findings, these embellishments, the star hairband, some galaxy flakes, these 6 bezels, and the other 6 bezels completing the zodiac. And these are 2 galaxy cabochons. And these are some embellishments. And here is the UV resin. This is the moon and star silicone mold, and 2 pigments, which I got was purple and white. Now you'll be needing some paper tape or washi tape, and I chose the widest one I could find. And as you can see, it didn't really cover the bezel, so I had to use 2 pieces of it. And here I'm just taking a silicone mold from the last box, and I'm also taking this dark blue chalk pastel and adding some shavings into there and putting some UV resin and then mixing it up. This is going to be for the base layer. And I'm also using a rubber silicone tool to apply the resin. And for the face of Leo, I chose to make it more of a whitish color. So I used a white pigment and some more resin. And then I let it cure for about 30 minutes in the sun. And then for the second layer, I'm just going back with some more UV resin. And then this layer, I'm going to be adding some glitter. Again, this glitter is from the last box. And then I also let that cure. And then for the third layer, I just added some more resin on top, and I'm adding some embellishments. These stars I bought from Etsy, and I'm adding some smaller ones as well. And then I'm taking the galaxy flaky chrome stuff and you want to be really careful with this. If you blow on it, it's just gonna go everywhere. And then I'm taking the eyeshadow applicator because I wanted it to look more like flakies. And then for the moon and the star charm, I'm just filling up 2 of them with some UV resin. And I'm just adding some embellishments and some pigment. And then for the second layer, I'm adding some more resin and the color. So for the star, I chose white, and then for the moon, I chose the purple. And then I'm just mixing that up. And this is what the Leo charm looks like when it's all done curing. And then this is what it looks like when the moon and the star was done curing. And you can just pop those right out. And if there's any stuff on the side, you can just basically peel it off. So for the star, I decided to kind of buff in the chrome powder magic flake stuff, and it actually looked really cool. And then I'm using the eye pins or the finding, I'm not really sure what these are called. And I'm just taking some needle nose pliers and regular pliers to open it up. And then I'm adding the chain to it. and then I'm just closing it up. At the end, I didn't really like how long it was, so I shortened it. And then I took a screw and eye pin and I tried to put it into the star, but the star just cracked. So eventually what I did was I just took that and I took some resin and just put it on the back. This is what it looks like finished. And I also added the Leo constellation and I really liked how it turned out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.